Steps to apply liquid foundation flawlessly. Liquid foundation can be applied in a number of ways, depending on the coverage and finish you're hoping to achieve. Follow these steps for a perfect application every time. Before applying any foundation, it's important to prep your skin first. This will help to create a smooth and even base for the foundation to adhere to, and will also help to extend the wear of the foundation. Start by cleansing your face and then following up with a moisturizer. If you have any other skin concerns that you'd like to target, now is the time to apply any serums or treatments. Once your skin is prepped and ready, it's time to start applying the foundation. For a full coverage look, use a makeup brush and start in the center of your face, working the product outwards. For a more natural finish, use a beauty blender or your fingers to blend the foundation into the skin. Instead, use a concealer to target any areas that need more coverage. Set your foundation in place with a setting powder if you're concerned about it lasting throughout the day or night. A good liquid foundation can give your skin a smooth, even appearance and help to conceal blemishes. It can also help to even out skin tone and give your skin a healthy, fresh look. When choosing a liquid foundation, it is important to find one that matches your skin type and tone. Thanks for watching.